G'day! In today's video is a very simple video on the HP 250 G5 on how to do a battery replacement. First you got to flick the left hand side, or make sure it's to the right, displaying the unlock button. And then all we need to do is flick this one on the right hand side to the left, push up. That's one battery removed. If we're lucky we have a build date, which is 2017-02. So we're a very old battery. And here I have a very new battery with the remanufacturing date or manufacturing date of 2023-01. Not as new as I'd like it to be, but these are an older model. That should just slide in, click, pull the lock over. Nope, I guess the lock gets ignored. Yep. A very unuseful locking mechanism. We go back here. That's great. There, lock. I don't know, we're locked now. What's the difference? There is very little difference there. So in theory, it should be locking when I tell it to lock. There we go, now we're locking. One battery replacement. Bye.